Hey guys, I wanted to update you on the Funko options Lotto play. I assumed actually that there were going to be options for March. They're actually not. The latest one that you can actually buy is May, and the minimum that I would recommend is February, right? If you guys are going to be playing February, I do recommend the $15 call over the $17.50 call. If you're going to be playing May, more than likely you guys are, the multiple in February would be a lot bigger than May. If you guys want to play it safer, I do recommend the 17.5 for May 21st. If you guys want to be a little bit riskier, maybe do a bigger multiple. I do recommend the $15 call for February. I'm more than likely gonna spend $1,000 on Monday for Funko. I'm probably gonna buy maybe half like $500 worth of the $15 call for February, and then $500 of the $17.50 call for May. That's probably those are gonna be my Lotto plays for next year and for Funko. If you guys want to jump in, great. Again, this is a Lotto play. You will lose money. This is a Lotto play. You will lose money. Just keep that in mind. This has, the chance of this hitting is, not likely over likely. So, just a recommendation. If you guys are going to play this, that's fine. But do it on your own terms. Do your own research. And this is a Lotto play. Just letting you guys know.